हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू ड्रूम यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज ईशान सप्रू एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं हैचबैक कार्स के बारे में। स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई हैव अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। डू यू नो व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज हैचबैक? In 1938, Citroen produced the first ever hatchback 11CV commercial. It had a large trunk at the back of it and it opened upwards, thus giving the car its name as hatchback. Since then, hatchbacks have gone through major transformation to be what we see on the roads today. From jaw-dropping design, a list of exciting features and power performance, hatchback cars have always been a hot favorite among auto enthusiasts and auto consumers. अगर आप भी गाड़ी लेने का सोच रहे हैं और जानना चाहते हैं कि why you should opt for hatchback, fasten your seat belts as we bring you top 5 reasons to opt for hatchbacks. The first reason to opt for a hatchback car is design. The compact design allows you to pass through heavy traffic easily. अगर आपको गाड़ी पार्क करने में डिफिकल्टी होती है, then hatchback is the perfect option for you as its compact design allows you to park your car at limited spaces also. The second reason to opt for hatchback car is that it is ideal for beginners. अगर आप गाड़ी चलाना सीखना चाहते हैं, तो hatchback is a better option for you. It has a comparatively basic control panel which allows you to focus on your driving and not be confused about different features of the car. The third reason is the single most important factor which a buyer looks for when they go out to buy a car, and that is your fuel efficiency. The heavier and bigger a car is, higher is the fuel efficiency. Compared to your sedan and SUVs, hatchback generate a very higher fuel efficiency and giving you a pocket-friendly option for your purchase. Coming on to the second last reason to opt for hatchback cars, it is your low maintenance cost. It is easy to source spare parts or components of hatchback cars in the market. आपको इसके लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पैसे नहीं देने पड़ते और ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए वेट भी नहीं करना पड़ता, which brings down the maintenance cost and the time to get the worn-out part replaced. Moving on to the last reason to opt for hatchback cars, it is affordable price range. You can own a top branded hatchback car at as low as rupees 4 lakh, which brings you an affordable price range to own a car. These were your top 5 reasons to opt for hatchback cars. Besides these, you will be glad to know that in used car segment, hatchback cars have always been in a great demand. In India, you can get 25 to 40% of the original cost of hatchback cars. We hope that this video will help you to make up your mind regarding your purchase of hatchback cars. In the future, we are going to come up with lots of tips and tricks from the world of automobiles. So do like, share and subscribe our YouTube video channel.